This is the third installment of the basement bathroom. The plumbers were here yesterday and they actually made some changes to their earlier work. The first thing changed, and the big change, is they added this: a backflow preventer and a clean out. Originally that was just a solid pipe. They said they consulted with some other plumbers or possibly the inspector, I'm not sure exactly who, and they said that should be done, and these two fixtures here will be cemented around, and then they will have a access plate over it. So if you need to clean out the pipes or repair or unclog the backflow preventer, it will have access there. They also installed some vents. Were in here last time. There's one over here that comes up the side wall here. Up, it starts at 2-inch, goes up to 1.5 inch, and it's enclosed in a box. It's the so-called Studer vent, or AAV. It'll face out into the cellar. That's the grill on the front. And down below it, it also has a 2.5 inch clean out. Just right there. Okay. All right. That vent will service the water closet, which is of course the toilet. Another vent's installed here behind the vanity. Comes up at 1.5 inches. Okay. And that vent in turn comes over and joins with another vent that's coming off of the Y pipe where the shower is. The shower will be in that corner. This comes up in here and then joins yet another Studer vent, which is inside this box. I can show you what that looks like. I pull the cover off and it's in there. Okay, so there's a pair of these on this system. Okay, other things that they did yesterday was install the shower valve. That's this valve here. Okay, originally they had the wrong valve here. They talked about that. They told me about it, and I said I can run out and get the right one for you if you want to get it done today. And they were all gung-ho on that, if I could be the gopher and go pick up parts. So I was glad to do that. And the system now, the water supplies are all pressurized, which is a goal they wanted to achieve. They said that the inspectors like to see this copper up to the shower head and not PEX. So that's why that's copper. Everything else is PEX. Another thing that was pointed out with the last video is that it appears that the blue and the red are backward. If the red is hot and the blue is cold, should they not be on opposite sides? Well, yes, they should. And maybe I'll ask them about that. But since the lines are flexible under the vanity, I suppose they could be crisscrossed without much trouble, and that suffices for that. There's some more things to do for the heating system. Some of this ductwork had to be disconnected on the ceiling because it runs into this space over here that's been framed out. Used to have ducts in it, and now we have a duct over here, which was originally square and now is going to be round. It's going to join with another one up here, and then it'll join with a third one over here, and then that's been covered with foil tape. And they're going to come around and come into the main plenum on the furnace. Okay, and I guess that's about it for this installment. Next week the electricians come, and we'll see how they wire the place up. Thank you.